bro and little bro. It's been a long couple days without any videos and no knee hockey or anything. So our new knee hockey stuff finally got here. So we're gonna be unboxing it. Yeah. Let's check it out. Got it, Brady. Alright, so we got this. This is what it is. Get up on there. So we got 2 nets. We got 2 goalie sticks. We got 4 balls. We got 2 sticks. I don't know if those are
bigger.
No, I don't know if those are lefty and righties, but
they look like it.
No, I don't know if there's like 2 righties and 2 lefty sticks. That might be it, but alright, let's check it out.
Tape.
There's tape.
That went clean through.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's lefty sticks in here.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a couple there's 2 righties, 2 lefties, and 2 goalie sticks.
I think there's 2 lefty, and then 1 lefty and 1 righty stick.
No, there's 2 lefties. 1 lefty, and then 2 righties.
And then the nets.
Yes.
These don't snap as easily.
You never know.
Good thing we got backups.
Let's see, there's lefty, righty.
That's good.
And 2 lefty, righty. But Brady, we're both righties. Then we got our goalie sticks. The goalie sticks are both righties.
That's good.
Alright, we got 2 yellows and 2 red balls.
How is it?
Gotta be kidding.
No, I just mean how is it
I'm making a video.
good quality or what?
I haven't even started setting it up yet.
No, well, you can kind of tell if it's a good quality net or not.
Oh, we just fucking video.
Oh, sorry.
So we got 2 nets. Looks like they're pretty good.
Pretty size. I like the size. Not too big, not too small.
Yeah, that was actually really easy to set up.
I think it was easier than that one.
Yeah. So
I think we can actually curl these ones up for more space.
yeah, you can like oh yeah, there's a little button right here that you push, and then they just fold up.
And then there's 2 right there.
Buttons right here. Oh yeah.
Now these could be really good. Like those are easy to like travel with.
Oh yeah, that's really
That's
really easy.
really small. They can even fit in there. See, like, oh, this one had a button too.
Yeah.
See, but these ones are much smaller, so it doesn't take up as much space as that one would.
And the net is like not as loose as that other
Like,
one.
watch how loose this one is. Here, just look, it's so loose. But like, if this one So it's like not as smooth as it was. It like stops me, which is good. It doesn't even move the goal, which is good.
Yeah, because these are foam balls, Brady.
Goal.
Come test it out. There, come try it out, and I'll take the camera. Yeah, I actually like this a lot.
Yeah.
You just gotta get your shots on point, Brady. So I don't know how we're gonna set it up because we need the carpet, and we won't have enough room if we put this other goal like this, like
It'd be way too small.
it'd be way too small. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. Maybe we
Good update video.
no, maybe we take that carpet right there, the goals on top of, put it over here and slide the whole carpet down or something like that.
Yeah, so that could be good. Yeah. But the problem is we'd have an extra space to do there with like what we'd be. I was thinking like a pool could put something back there for like the ball to stop.
I don't know, but
We'll probably get back to you when we have an
yeah. So good unboxing video. Like, I don't know. I like it. Alright, Brady, take us out.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and share. And support the channel. Peace.
Peace.